What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic. You guys saw how amped we made the V6 Lotus Emira sound. And now it's time to bring that to the 4-cylinder. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are inside the 4-banger Mercedes-AMG engine Lotus Emira. These cars are absolutely incredible. We saw all the hype that you guys were building for the V6 Emira that we were able to completely transform and really turn it into a little F1 car. With all the little F1 graphics on this car, we knew that we had to bring the same exact experience to the 4-cylinder as well. So this system operates with the factory valves as well, so you'll hear them opening and closing at different RPMs. This system being offered in the titanium variation as well is really what all of these Lotus Emira enthusiasts really have been lacking and missing out on. So, you know, achieving that nice sound, you know, all the success that we saw with the V6 Emira, we couldn't leave you guys hanging on the 4-banger as well, because this thing sounds really good. The blow-off valve as well. I have it in the track mode currently, but if we drop it down to the touring mode and we throw it back into automatic, this car sounds like it's bone stock. I can whisper to you. It's that quiet. Not gonna do too much more talking. We have some oil temperature already, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the pure sound showcase of what is truly the best exhaust system for the 4-cylinder Lotus Emira and the V6 Lotus Emira. Enjoy. Dude. This is good.
Yep.
This is great.
This is amazing.
Oh yeah. Dude.
This is amazing.
Here we go. Let's get some pops and cracks. Oh my god. Dude, this exhaust just transformed the experience of this Lotus Emira. And that, everybody, is the Lotus Emira 4-cylinder experience perfected. As I said earlier in the video, you guys saw us crank up the V6 to 11, and you guys loved that sound experience, and now we're here to bring it to the 4-cylinder options as well. We had an absolute blast doing this development, filming this video, and showcasing to you all what exactly your Lotus Emira could sound like with our exhaust system. At this time, it's either going to be waitlisted or it's going to be on our shelves ready to rock, and it'll be at your house within 2 to 4 business days. If you have any questions, please feel free to go to valvetronic.com, reach out to our sales and customer support team. We have a phone number on there, we have a live chat bot to make sure that you guys have the best experience when it comes to buying an exhaust system. That being said, stay tuned for our next sound improvement project where it's going to be a V12 twin turbo and the doors kind of go up. Stay tuned.